In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to change your Instagram password on your Android and your iPhone devices easily. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And also remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply open your Instagram app. Then all you have to do once you get here is to just click this three icon that you can see at the top. Click on it. Once you click on that, you're going to see account center. Click on that as well. Then once you get here, you're going to see password and security below. So all you have to do is just click on that. Then click on change password. Then once you get here, choose your Instagram username. So I'm going to click on mine. Then you're going to come to this section where you'll be able to change your password. So the first thing that you have to do is to put your current password, which is the password that you are using at that moment. So put it here in the current password. So let's assume that my current password is 545454. So let's just assume that as my current password. So now you now have to put your new password that you want to change it to. So now you put your new password here. So let's just say 8989899000. That's my new password. Then you are going to impute it again at this third section. You can see retype new password. So that new password that you just placed there, you're going to have to place it here again. So you can see the password. So let's put it here again. 8989899000. Okay, I think I did that incorrectly. 8989899000. Okay, that's it. So once you've placed your new password here, then all you have to do now is just click on change password, and it's going to apply that changes. But one thing that I want to show you guys also, you can see below they said log out of other devices. So if you know that other people are using your Instagram account, so you can leave this place checked, so that once you change your password, each and every one of those people, they are going to be logged out. But if you have other people using your Instagram account and you don't want them to be logged out, so all you have to do is just uncheck this box and click on change password, and that's it. Your new password is going to be applied to your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.